What if your dream home didn't just sit beside nature, but became part of it? Today, we're stepping inside an extraordinary subtropical modern garden house where every wall frames lush greenery, every breeze flows naturally through the rooms, and every corner invites you to slow down. This isn't simply a house tour. It's a journey into a lifestyle where architecture, comfort, and nature exist in perfect harmony. Welcome to Lumacasa Studio. The experience begins long before opening the front door. A winding stone pathway surrounded by tropical plants creates an unforgettable first impression. Layering plants of different heights adds depth while naturally cooling the surroundings. Notice how warm wood, textured concrete, and soft landscaping work together, proving that a beautiful entrance isn't about luxury materials alone. It's about creating a peaceful transition between the outside world and the sanctuary within. Stepping inside, sunlight gently fills the living room through expansive floor-to-ceiling glass, making every surface glow with warmth. Neutral tones, soft fabrics, and natural would create a timeless palette that never feels overwhelming. One simple decorating lesson here is to let natural light become your primary design element. When light is abundant, fewer decorative pieces are needed because the changing daylight becomes the home's most beautiful artwork. The kitchen flows effortlessly into the dining space, encouraging conversation instead of separation. Stone countertops, warm timber cabinetry, and subtle black accents create elegance without sacrificing comfort. Fresh herbs, handcrafted ceramics, and a bowl of seasonal fruit add authentic character. Rather than filling shelves with decorations, this home reminds us that everyday functional objects often become the most meaningful and beautiful decorative elements. bedroom feels less like an indoor space and more like a peaceful garden retreat. Large windows frame swaying palms while sheer curtains soften the morning sunlight into a calming glow. Soft linens, layered textures, and muted earth tones create instant serenity. A valuable decorating secret is limiting the color palette so the surrounding landscape naturally becomes the room's focal point, bringing visual calm and emotional balance. The true masterpiece waits outside, where architecture gently disappears into a lush subtropical landscape. Quiet water features reflect the changing sky, while shaded terraces invite slow afternoons with coffee and conversation. Outdoor spaces become more welcoming when designed like indoor rooms, with layered lighting, comfortable seating, and thoughtfully placed greenery. Here, the garden isn't simply decoration. It's an essential extension of everyday living. As our tour comes to an end, this extraordinary subtropical modern garden house leaves us with more than beautiful design inspiration. It reminds us that the most memorable homes aren't defined by size or expense, but by how they make us feel peaceful, connected, and truly at home. If today's journey inspired your dream home, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Lumacasa Studio for more breathtaking home tours where timeless architecture meets everyday living.